Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. James over here, and today we're going to look at some brand new merch. So I've just got it in the post. I've got this box here and a package right here. So what should I look at first? I think we'll look at the box first. I like the look of the box. I'm actually really excited to see this because this is the first time I've ever seen the merch. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the box. Wow, that is looking awesome. Can you see it from the camera, bro? Wow. We have the official TechBaffle mug. Now look at that. Look how good quality it is. A nice solid mug right there. And we've got a TechBaffle logo on the side, as you can see. So nice it's printed as well. The colours are spot on as well. So it doesn't matter if you're left-handed or right-handed. We have printing both sides, so it doesn't even matter. And also, this mug is dishwasher and microwave safe, so you don't have to worry about the print or anything falling off or something like the mug shattering or something. It's all good, it's all good. It's ready for dishwasher, ready for microwave, so it's all good. So let's get on with the next product. So, the package here. Be slightly careful with the scissors here because I don't want to really cut into the t-shirt. It's not a good idea. So we have two t-shirts. We have a white t-shirt and a black t-shirt. I've got the size large. Obviously, I think there's loads of different sizes available. Head over to techbaffle.com/shop. We'll have all the sizes there. I'll start with the white t-shirt first. So let's go ahead and open it up. Sorry about the lighting, it is really rainy outside at the moment, so everything is really dark, so apologies about that. It looks brighter in real life, so let me just take this off. I'm absolutely baffled. So that is spot on as well, that is exactly how I wanted it to look. Got the official TechBaffle, well, this is actually the same font that's used in the logo, so that's why I decided to do the t-shirt. So I thought it was quite a nice font, it's quite fun and a bit crazy, which is suitable for the videos really. So yeah, the right colours and everything. I'm absolutely baffled. Look at that. Sorry about the shadow on the camera above. It is so rainy outside. It's just like it's making everything look really miserable. But yep, the print is actually looking really good. Yeah, awesome. So I've got it in large. Obviously, you can get it in different sizes, and it will look awesome. So yeah. Also, yeah, one thing to mention. This is the white version of the t-shirt. You can also get this in black and you can also get it in navy, I think, as well. So yeah, there's 3 different colours available if you want that design. And we're completely folding a t-shirt. Next up, the TechBaffle logo. There we go. Can you see it from the camera above? Yep. TechBaffle. So this is the black t-shirt. I thought the logo looked pretty cool against the black t-shirt. Now look at that. Take the label off. Yeah, apologies about the lighting again. There's obviously going to be odd creases, but the shadows off the outside are making it look a lot darker. So there we go. We've got the official TechBaffle logo in the right colours and everything. So yeah, looking awesome in black as well. I do like the look of the logo on the black colour as well. I think that's really effective, nice contrast. You'll be able to see them in use in future videos. So if you want your merch, head over to techbaffle.com/shop. We have shipping from Europe and the USA, so it will come nice and quickly to your door. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding that bell icon for post notifications. For all the tech info you need, head over to techbaffle.com/shop.